Premium Hill Academy. Morality, ingenuity, and excellence at its peak.
Welcome guys. Let's look at how we can try and perform the same operation on 3x3 matrices. In former class we did for 2x2 matrices. And let's look at how we can do this for 3x3 matrices. I'll do that now. Now in question 1 number A, it says we should find the value of A plus B. A plus B. And we know A, matrix A is 4, 2, 3, and then 1, 6, 3, then 6, 1, 4, right? Plus matrix B, which is 3, 4, 2, and 1, 7, 1, and 5, 4, 8. Should add them. That's for number 1. We should add this up. It's simple. Just we'll be doing 2x2 matrix. It's the same way we'll perform operation for 3x3 matrix. Now it becomes 4 plus 3, and then 1 plus 1, and then 6 plus 5, right? And the other part will be 2 plus 4, and then 6 plus 7, and then 1 plus 4, right? Then we have 3 plus 2, we have 3 plus 1, then we have 4 plus 8. Trace them, that's what we have. That's 4 plus 3, 1 plus 1, 6 plus 5. Then we have 2 plus 4, 6 plus 7, and 1 plus 4. We have 3 plus 2, 3 plus 1, and 4 plus 8. Right? So for that, by adding them, A plus B becomes what? Becomes 4 plus 3, which is 7, 1 plus 1, which is 2, 6 plus 5, which is 11, 4 plus 2, which is what? 2 plus 4, which is 6, 6 plus 7, which is 13, then 1 plus 4, which is 5, 3 plus 2, which is 5, 1 plus 3, which is 3 plus 1, which is 4, then 4 plus 8, which is what? 12. That's a simple operation for how 3x3 matrix work. It's the same thing with 2x2 matrix. There's no difference with that. The same thing with 2x2 matrices. Applying that to 3x3 matrix, I believe this is what you're going to have. Alright guys, let's look for how to calculate values for A, B, and C. That's A plus B plus C. Let's do that in maybe 3 minutes, right? So it's going to be A is 4, 2, 3, 1, 6, 3, 6, 1, 4, plus B is 3, 4, 2, and 1, 7, 1, and then 5, 4, 8. Right? And then our C is 10, 2, 3, 7, 4, 6, and it's what? 3, 5, 3, 5, 9. Right. As simple as you get. So we're just adding all of them. Let's add. With that, our A plus B plus C becomes 4 plus 3 plus 10, right? Then we have 1 plus 1 plus 7, then we have 6 plus 5 plus 3, right? For this we have 2 plus 4 plus 2, then we have 6 plus 7 plus 4, right? So 2 plus 4 plus 2, that's for this, and then 6 plus 7 plus 4. Then we have 1 plus 4 plus 5. And for this we have 3 plus 2 plus 3. This we have 3 plus 1 plus 6. Then for the last we have 4 plus 8 plus what? Plus 9. It's easy as it gets. Alright, so with this we add them. A plus B plus C becomes 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 10 is 17. Right? Yes, we have 17. That will be 17. Right? And then 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 7 is what? It's 9. So we have 9. And then 6 plus 5 is 11. And then 11 plus 3 is 14. We have 14 here. right? So 2 plus 4 should be what? 6. 6 plus 2 is what? Is 8. And then we have 6 plus 7, that's 13. 13 plus 4, that should be 17, right? We have 17 here. And so we have 1 plus 4 is 5. Then 5 plus 5 is 10. And 1 plus 4, 5 plus 5, that will be 10. Then we have list. We have 3 plus 2, that's 5. 5 plus 3, that's 8. Then we have 3 plus 1, that's 4 plus 6, that will be 10. Then we have 4 plus 8, which is 12. Then 12 plus 9 is 21. That becomes the answer to this question, right? So in the coming class, I'll leave you to do, I'll do A minus B, and then I'll leave you to do F and G while I do H, right? So I'm going to treat E, I leave you to do F and G while I treat H in the next class. See you in the next class, guys. Alright guys, let's look at how this works. Now, in question E, it says look for A minus B, right? So let's look at how this works. It's still the same thing, basically the same thing. But in this case, we're just minusing, right? So it becomes 4 minus 3, right? Then we have 1 minus 1. And then we have 6 minus 5. And here we have 2 minus 4. That's 2 minus 4. And here we have 6 minus 7. Right? And here we have 1 minus 4. Right? Here we have 3 minus 2. Here we have 3 minus 1. Here we have 4 minus 8. That's simple. So with that, it becomes 3 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 6 minus 7 is minus 1. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 4 minus 8 is minus 4. That's basically how it works. You see how easy it is now. See how I'm showing you with step by step on how addition and subtraction of matrices work. So I'll leave you to do F and G, and I'll also leave you to do H. So I'm going to treat I, and I'll let you do J, right? So I'm going to be doing I, then I'll let you do J. You're done with the answers, you can leave them in the comment section so you can review them for a correction. Let's ensure that you're following what we're doing. I'll see you in the next class, guys. Alright guys, let's look at how to solve the question A plus B minus C. Then I leave you to do the rest, right? And this will be the last class for matrix addition and subtraction. The next class we're jumping down to matrix multiplication. Let's do this now. For this, we're going to have, it's also the same thing. I'm hoping we understand what we're doing. This becomes 4, 2, 3, 1, 6, 3, 6, 1, 4, plus, as we are adding, plus what? Plus value of 3, 4, 2, then 1, 7, 1, then what? 5, 4, 8, right? And then we are minusing the last one from it, that's 10, 2, 3, and then 7, 4, 6, then what? 3, 5, 9. So I'm sharing the board so you can understand better. Let's do that now. It becomes easy, right? So if we are doing this, it becomes, let's add, we have 4 plus 3 minus 10, right? 4 plus 3 minus 10 for the first. For row 1, column 2 becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 7, sorry. Minus 7 because we have minus from there. And then the third, for row 1, column 3, that becomes 6 plus 5 minus 3. 6 plus 5 minus 3. Right? And next, what do we have? Next, we're going to have 2 plus 4 minus 2. And then we have 6 plus 7 minus 4. And last, we have 1 plus 4 minus 5. 1 plus 4 minus 5. Right? Let's look at the last. The third one, we have 3 plus 2 minus 3. And then what? 3 plus 1 minus 6. 3 plus 1 minus 6. And then we have 4 plus 8 minus 9. 4 plus 8 minus 9. With that, it's going to give us 4 plus 3, that's 7, minus 10, leave that minus 3. Yes, 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 7, that should be what? Minus 5. 6 plus 5, that's 11. 11 minus 3, that should be what? That should be 8, right? So we have 8. 2 plus 4, that's 6 minus 2, that should be 4. Then 6 plus 7, that should be 13 minus 4, that should be what? 13 minus 4 should be 9. And then 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 minus 5, that should be what? 0. Yes, 1 plus 4 is 5 minus 5, that should be 0. Then 3 plus 2 is also 5, 5 minus 3 should be what? 2. Then 3 plus 1, which is 4 minus 6, that's minus 2. Then lastly, 4 plus 8, that's 12. 12 minus 9 should be what? Should be 3. Answer is 3. So this brings us the final answer of A plus B minus C. So I'll let you do the rest questions, leave the answers in the comment section below. Right? In the next class, we'll be treating the multiplication of matrices, matrix multiplication. It's not the same as matrix addition and subtraction, so there are rules and laws that guard matrix multiplication. See you in the next class, guys.
Premium Hill Academy. Morality, ingenuity, and excellence at its peak.